Hello guys, good morning. How are you all? It's such a gloomy day here in Charlotte. I think it rained a bit, but from yesterday evening, the weather suddenly dropped so much. We even reached around 60s for the past few days, and we've been enjoying. But suddenly, uh, it reached 40 again, and it's such a dark today, and it always makes you feel so sleepy. So I wanted to show some of the sets that's not available in the websites anymore to order. I have received them. I didn't get a chance to show you all. The few quick updates are, as of now, Senegens is catching up with all the orders. As you all know, with COVID, there are so many scarcity of people, they are trying to catch up with those much orders, and I think as of now they are with 26th and 27th, many of my 26th orders. Hi Fa! See, I wore the earring. I really like it. So as of now, they are shipping the orders from 26th and 27. Few of my orders from 27 also going parallelly, but I have few left from 26. So if you see, we just have another 28 and 29. So those are the sale dates. So whoever ordered around the sale dates, so you can thank you so much. So those are the only few orders, final orders that get to shipped. Thank you so much for patiently waiting. I know there is USPS delays and other things, so that's why I'm thinking to do a special, because I know with holidays coming, if you can start early, it make sure that it will reach you before time. So I'm going to do few specials. What I'm thinking is, the whole of December I'm going to post the details, but it's like, if you buy 50, you will get a $5 gift card that you can use it for January. If you do $100, then you will get a $10 that you can use it on January, something like that. So I will post the details on those so that you can check it. And if you have already placed the order in December, I will still give you the same thing. So I will message you separately and let you guys know. So I always want to give back as much I can. I know you all were patiently waiting for me. Hi Shobna, good morning. So I wanted to do that. So as I said, whoever placed the order already in December, I will still message you guys, but I'm going to post all the details. But I just wanted to show few sets that are still available in the website, and also the sets that are not, which I have in hand, which you can grab it. The first set is my favorite, which is still available in website for you to order. You can see it comes with the ready to gifting one. It is my favorite. If you have CCTM, you have powder, you have shadow sensor, even you have our foundation, then grabbing the, let me show what it has, grabbing the melt away balm is really worth it, because it can remove even our waterproof mascara. So whether you our waterproof mascara, even if you sleep 2 days, it's still going to be there. That's how much it will stay, and it won't budge at all. So to remove a waterproof mascara, you always need a remover that can that can break it and remove it. You cannot use just the cleanser to remove it. If you even shower or anything, it will still be there. But this melt away balm will remove anything and everything within seconds. Like once you start applying, it will remove from your shadow sens, your brow sens, your, in fact you can use it on lips too. It is meant to break even the lip sense color. So this is such a good value for you to grab. So you get your melt away balm, and you also get your digital age defense, which is my favorite. This is one of the biggest bottles. This is almost the size of our foundation bottle size, because the rest of them are little smaller. If any of the treatments, they are little smaller. except the digital age defense, this is the only one that's the biggest bottle it comes. So it will last you so long. But if you are someone who is in your electronic devices most of the time, then you are slowly damaging your skin with the blue light rays that comes in. So this is such a perfect addition. And when you're up, because this is the first one that goes after your cleanser, so it feels so cool. And it is going to because with the blue light, it is like if you use it for I think 20 hours or 25 hours, it is like damaging your damaging your skin standing in direct sunlight for 20 minutes. So that is how much damage even these electronic devices can cause. For me and all, it's unavoidable because my business runs with social media and other things, so I have to be in my phone all the time. So for me, this is such a boon, so that it doesn't my skin doesn't get damaged. Even today, if you see, I just have powder, I don't have anything. Yesterday so many pinged me that I never knew a powder can give such a coverage. So that is the beauty of the product. Even though it's lightweight, it can still cover very well. So this comes with the age defense serum and the melt away balm. As I said, once you start using this, you will never go back to any other makeup remover or anything, because this will make you feel so clean, and it is so easy to remove within a few seconds. All these all day wear makeup will break it. And you also have this ice roller that comes with it. So you can keep it in your refrigerator, freezer, and then you can see they have beads that will, so you can I think I can show the instructions. Let me open it. I have put mine in the freezer already, so you can see you can use it anywhere in your body. So the instruction gives you on how you use it, so you can even use it on your face, your hands, or anywhere. But this is such a cool addition to your routine. So any products you do, then you can roll it to how many of you use the jade roller? I always have it in my cupboard. Like before going to bed, I like to do it. So that's the first set. This is still available in the website for you guys to grab. The rest of the sets, one more, yeah, I have one shadow sense left from the holiday minis. This is not available anymore in the website. So if you anyone looking, please do grab, because it's sold out in the website and you will not be able to grab it. So this is a final chance for anyone to grab. I just have one last set. So grab it before it's gone. All these will be still included in the in the gift card thing I said. And also even if you are ordering in Kiss and Tell, just make sure your amount after Kiss and Tell discount has that. So I will still give you that gift card thing, but you just need to make sure you have it after the Kiss and Tell discount and before shipping. So the next one, this is again not anymore in the website. So this gift set comes with the hair recovery serum. It comes with brown water, I think black brown, not brown. Yeah, black brown waterproof mascara, and it has the setting spray. But it comes with 3 of our hair care samples. So one is the hair recovery line, one is the hair plenish line, and hair balance line. So since it's not in website and you guys cannot order, I will still give 10% if you are grabbing as a set for this one. So this is again, you cannot order it anymore in the website. This was part of the last month promo, and I just have one left from I grabbed. I'm also going to show some sold out shades too, because I know I just wanted to make it special. I know I'm going to try to post all these today, and I'm also going to post a few of the collections that are still available. That way you guys can plan your gifting. And I don't know whether you guys noted it, the recent iced neutrals, the color that the colors that got released I think Monday or Tuesday, they are the smallest types like Amore. So let me show you the difference. So those are the smaller tubes, they are not the bigger tubes. So this is the actual lips and size, and this is the smaller tubes. This is Amore. So the set that got released recently, that browns, those are like smaller tubes. So you can grab them individually or you can grab them as a set. So that's one thing. And the next set I had, yeah, this set is also not anymore. So you get a full size, I think this is the brush cleaner, right? No, this is the body wash. So this is, you get a full size body wash. You get the hydration mist. You get Foops remover, which is our makeup remover, which can, it's a liquid remover. Let me show maybe full size product so that you guys can see how big it is. So you get a full size body wash, so that's like full size, and then you get a full size Foops remover. It's oil based, so always make sure you shake it so that it gets mixed and then use it. So this can remove pretty much any makeup, including our waterproof ones. And then you get hydration mist, which you can use it as part of your skincare and also as a setting spray. So this is like, you can spray it on top. Now that everybody is going to start going back to office, if you are someone who will feel dry if they are keep running the heater and other things, you can have it in your handbag and spritz it all over, because this is not going to break any of your makeup. At the same time, it's going to increase your moisture by 80% around in 30 minutes. So that way, this has an ingredient called M3. So what this is going to do is, it will attract the moisture and it also going to seal it in. So that way it will be a nice addition to your skincare routine. And it also comes with oil absorption sheet. So similar way, if you're someone who gets oily throughout the day, you can have these as, these are like blotting papers we used to do. Similar way, you will just press it on top of your makeup or even bare skin. What this does is, this is going to take away all the excess oil. That way you don't have to reapply or do that. And it also comes with our Synergen hand sanitizer. I don't think you can buy it, so this comes with the set. So this is again a set that you cannot order in the website. So if you are grabbing from me, I will still give you a 10% discount on this one. And let me show the last one. This is a very popular set, I know, that got sold out. This is the Ultimate Lip Care Kit. Last year also it happened that it sold out faster. So this year also it got sold out. This is the one, I think I even did a live. So it comes with a full size Lip Smooth, which is our lip exfoliator. And you get the lip balm. So the lip exfoliator comes with this brush that you can use it. So this comes with the set, and you have a clear lip balm. And all these are full size, none of them is like a travel size or anything. So then you get overnight lip mask and its applicator, and it all comes in this free bag. Again, this set is sold out. You cannot grab it as a set anymore. So if you need this set, I will give the 10% off and you will be able to grab it. So let me show few of the lip sense colors or anything which I have in stock from the sold out or from the website thing. Let me see. So yeah. So these are some of the colors that got sold out from the website. You cannot order them anymore. So the first one is Red Rose. This is a smaller tube again. So this is a red that got sold out during the Black Friday sale. So I have one of each. Most of them I just have one. So this is a $19 thing. So it's not 25. So that's one. And fuchsia, that's a very, very bright pink, which is my favorite. So this is a sold out shade again. And I have pastel pink, which is again another sold out shade from the thing, and beach cream, which is like a very matte beige shade. This is again, I always say, if you feel like your lips are in two different shades, these kind of colors will really help to tone it down and make it neutral. So that's again another sold out shade. Let me show some of the glosses that are sold out. I don't think you can order any of them from the website. So these are the things you need to order from me, because these are in hand stock. So I have one papaya gloss, which is like an orange gloss. I always say, don't, if you have doubt, ask me. This will go very slight coral. Just the bottle will look very, very dark, but I will see whether I have it. Yeah, I can swatch it. This is my own bottle. Sometimes people get scared with the color on the bottle, but when you apply, it's going to be like a very light coral. This is how it's going to apply. It will not be like a hot dark orange and all. So this will be a really light color. So always, if you have doubt on any shades, make sure you ask me. That way I can send you pictures. And I just have one Fiesta gloss, which is again like an orange gloss, but it has glitters to it. So this is one of my favorite actually when it comes to coral. So that's a beautiful glass. Again, another one, Citrus Grove. This is I keep forgetting that ride. There used to be a Disney ride, right, where you feel like you go on California, on top of the California mountains, and you will smell that orangey things. I forgot the name of the ride, and that's how it will feel. This like my favorite. I used to in childhood. I used to have like a orange candy, which is my favorite. So that's how it feels. So this one is a scented gloss, and Berry Blast, which is, I think most of them grabbed. This got sold out. So if you are still looking for glosses, make sure you grab them, because these are sold out shades. And here is Pink Matte Gloss. This is no more in the website. This is like a sold out gloss from earlier. So this is a matte gloss, but it's pink, like a very baby pink, I would say. And I also have two of the $15 glosses. One is First Kiss, which is like a, again, it will all be very light. So ask me for pictures. This is a very light baby pink, and these are perfect for kids even. And this one is Soulmate, which is like a coral. It will be almost similar to this, but these are smaller bottles. So these are $15 each. So these are some of them. And the last few of the sold out Shadow Sense colors. I have two of the Bella Shimmer. Even I don't remember when did I wear it. I think last Friday. Maybe I wore Bella Cream and Bella Shimmer. So that I have two of the Bella Shimmers. This is one of the must-have, I would say. If you are someone who likes Bella, then these eye colors will be your go-to. I love Bella Cream and Bella Shimmer. I wish they add these to permanent line. So I just have two of those. And I have one neon green shimmer. This is again a sold out shade. And I have one lime shimmer. This will be a really pretty shade, all over lid shade. As I always say, our ethnic wears have gold in it. So these kind of gold will look really nice on our skin tone. And I also have Tiara. If you are like little darker than me, then you can always use Tiara as your base lid color, or like a concealer too. Even the days you don't wear any eye makeup, you can still wear Tiara and just use like an eyeliner. This is like a base color. So those are some of the colors that went on sale. And I do also, I think these are still in website too. I wanted to just show. And Sugar Plum, this is one of the older Sugar Plum. This is a bigger size, whereas in the current website you will be able to grab the smaller tube of this. So I think this is one of very pretty pink, if you are looking for a pink with a little bit of glitter. But currently the website will have the smaller tube if you want to grab. And what else? I think These are some of the colors that went on sale. I will just show what and all I have. So I have caramel apple diamond. These all are not on the original price, so you can see what's the price on the website and I can still give you the same. So I have caramel apple diamond, I have sunshine, I have candy apple green. If you haven't seen my layering combo, I think if you, I don't know which, I think with Glamdoll or some other color, if you layer it, you will get a beautiful brown with this shade. So it's such a layering combo. And obviously my top seller all the time, Mart Magenta, I do have. And I have two of the smaller tubes, True Love. Like I was saying, what is the other shade? I think, do I have any other shade? No, I don't have any other lip color that is smaller tube. So these are two smaller tubes that went on sale. This is True Love, which is like corally orange, and I have one Papat pink. Berry was on sale. Berry is such a good neutral shade, or you can even use it as a liner shade. Anytime when you want to line your lips, berry can be a good one, because it will go with pretty much many shades, and having a brown is always good. So then Prosecco, I think I showed one with chocolate copper. Prosecco would work the similar way, and Be Mine, which is like a Barbie pink, and also sheer red. So all these colors, I think metallic plum is another one of the shades. All these colors are still on sale in the website if you want to grab. So if you're grabbing something from me, and if you're grabbing from my stock, then you can grab them too. As I said, I will try to match the price from the website. That way you will still get the same price, and for the sold out shades alone, it has to be the original price, because we will not be able to do that. But those are things I wanted to show. Same way with the eyeliners. So the website still has the Starry Sky, the Gilded. Where is the Gilded? Yeah. So all three are still in the website. So this is Starry Sky, Ocean, and Gilded. So all three of them are still in sale in the website. So you can grab them too. And I don't know whether this is still on sale. I think it should be. So this is the blue mascara. So this should be still on sale in the website too. So that's there. And if I have missed anything, let me know. But I think, yeah, even grape gloss was on sale during that time. I think it's still there. So you can check that too. I think I pretty much covered and showed all the things. And if you have ordered, I think you all would have got the holiday catalog, which had all the things. So so far this one, the eye colors got sold out. The dry line is still there. This one is still there. The pearlizer with the eye illuminator is still there. This one got sold out. I have one extra men's line too. I think I already showed, so it should come with the men's cleanser, men's shaving cream, body wash, and the lip balm. And also it comes with a blue bag with what else it comes with? It comes with free washcloth and travel bag. And this one got sold out. The silver rose powder with the brush and the bronze dust with the powder got sold out. This one is still in the website. As I said, it has the melt away balm, the digital age defense, and the ice roller. They also have some suggestions for you here on what you can grab for the men, and also its prices. So it says for him the shave cream, moisturizing lip balm, the grooming balm. For the beauty mavens, it says Lipson's colors, the volume intense mascara, or the eyeliners. And the travel enthusiast is either climate control, mini hairspray, or the tinted moisturizers. And for the skincare lovers, it's hand cream, 3-in-1 cleanser, and facial resurfacer. And for the well-deserving mamas, it's Illuminator, Nangai Oil or Golden Radiance Mask. And the tweens, so you have the Foops Remover Wipes, you have the Lipson's Glosses, and also like a shadow stencil color. So they had some few suggestions. These are the ones I'm saying. I'm going to post these kind of collections which you have, and that way you guys can grab. This is a gloss collection which can be perfect for teens again, and this is again another collection that had smaller tubes. I think that's the sugar plum one I was talking about. So it had sugar plum and golden orchid, which are all again smaller tubes, and these are also smaller tubes. And the new iced neutrals, that's again a smaller tube. So I will try with whether if I have any the virtual link to this holiday guide too. So those are the things I wanted to cover. You all have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please do ping me.